Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device shows hidden and system folders. This avoids hunting later. Open a file manager with storage permission, then go to android/data/com. Tencent, IG, or the OBB path for your install. You should copy the config files to a backup folder. This preserves your settings and prevents permanent loss. Once the backup is complete, confirm file sizes and timestamps so you know you grabbed the right files. Then proceed to the next step to safely remove the target config. You must stop the app fully. Clear it from recent apps and force stop in Android settings so the file isn't locked. Then, with your file manager, locate and delete the config file or CFG. Dat entries in the game folder, making sure you only remove the intended config. If the file resists deletion, make sure you have granted storage permissions or connect to a PC and delete via USB. Doing it this way avoids corrupting other game assets and helps ensure the game can rebuild defaults. You should reboot the device so the system clears caches and releases any lingering locks. When you open PubG Mobile, the game typically recreates default config files. Observe load times and check settings menus to confirm defaults are back. If you see errors or missing settings, restore your backup copy or reinstall the game to replace corrupted assets. If deletion failed earlier, verify storage permissions and use safe mode or a PC to retry. This single troubleshooting step fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.